channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a Chloe unboxing. I actually picked up 2 items from Chloe. I'm so excited about it. I actually don't own anything from Chloe in my collection at all, but I have seen these pieces and you know, they were just those items that I couldn't really stop thinking about. And I'm gonna be honest, I hunted and hunted and hunted for these pieces. I have a pair of shoes and I have a handbag. I'm gonna share with you the shoes first, but you guys, I looked all over the place for these shoes, all over the place. I looked at Neiman Marcus, I looked at Saks Fifth Avenue, I looked at Bergdorf, I looked like all over. I looked at Nordstrom and they were sold out everywhere, but you know where I did find them? The Chloe website. You would have thought I would have checked on the Chloe website first because that's where I eventually found them, but I'm so excited. They're very unique pieces and I think they're going to go great in my collection, especially for summer. And then the handbag is actually a summer bag. You guys know that I do have the raffia bag up there, the YSL bag that I use as a crossbody, but this one is a little different, so I will share that with you. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see what I picked up from Chloe, then keep watching. Okay guys, I am in my closet today. We are changing things up. Usually I film in my little filming space, but today I thought I would change it up and film in my closet. There's a little bit more light. I am filming in the evening time, and my filming space I would have had to use artificial lights, and sometimes when I do that it washes me out a little bit, so I wanted to film in here where I have the natural light from the window. So let's get right into the shoes. As I stated, I have seen these around and I just knew I wanted a pair. So let me go ahead and get right into it and show you what I got. First, it comes in the Chloe box, and I did get these from the Chloe website. I have the receipt, which you guys know I mentioned before, I always like to hold on to the paperwork in the event I ever decide to sell it. It comes with the Chloe dust bag. You see that's really pretty with the gold Chloe logo. And any guesses? I'll give you a moment. List in the comment what you think this is right now before seeing it. Let me know what you think it is. Alright, and the shoes that I got are the Chloe Woody sandals. You guys, I'm so excited about these. These come in 5 different colors, and I do have to be honest, initially I had purchased the black. But then I thought about it and I was like, you know what? I don't really own a pair of cream sandals. So I ended up returning the black and I hunted for the white. And like I said, I found it from the Chloe website. I really ideally like to buy from department stores because it has just a little bit of a better return policy. But so far I haven't had any issues. I ordered them and they came within a few days. It was really fast. But these are the Chloe Mule sandals. As I stated, they come in different colors. They come in a pretty olive green, a black, a light pink. But I opted for the cream. So you can see these are mule sandals. They have a rubber sole, which you can see on the back. So these are European sizes. I usually wear a size 8, so typically that would equate to a size 38, but I actually sized up to a size 9, and I found that to be a little better for me. Summer months, if I'm walking around, I want a shoe to be comfortable. And you can see it has the Chloe ribbon going through. Now, this little thing hanging right here, I'm probably gonna cut that off if I do decide to keep them, which I'm almost positive I will keep them, but I just love the look of the shoe. You guys know I've mentioned that I love to wear a lot of dresses in the summer months, and I just feel like these shoes are going to pair really well with all of my summer dresses. And if you're not a dress person and you're more of like a shorts person, the beauty of these shoes is they look really nice with shorts as well. But I just loved how it had the Chloe ribbon intertwined. It was just, like I said, really different than anything that I own. Again, it has a rubber sole, and then I don't know if it'll pick up, but you can see it says Chloe right there. And people have commented that these can be a little bit uncomfortable. When I tried them on, because I did try the black pair on, I didn't find them to be uncomfortable. However, I also have not had them for a while and I haven't owned them, so I will kind of keep you guys updated on the comfort level, but I'm so excited to add these to my collection. As I stated, they're really different and unique from anything I have, so I can't wait. So now let's go ahead And let's get into the handbag. So you guys know I have a story for everything. I think I've mentioned that I have been on the hunt for a raffia tote. Now, I do have the raffia crossbody bag from YSL, which you guys, I absolutely love, but sometimes you need like a good like beach bag, like a big bag that's gonna fit everything, and that's where this bag comes in. So let me show you the bag I picked, and then I'll tell you the other bag that I was on the fence that I thought I might get as well. Okay, so this is going to be an unbagging because I actually already took it out of the box. This bag I think is relatively new. I have to be honest, I did not see it on a lot of websites. I had to hunt for it, and I did end up buying it from the Net-a-Porter website, or Net-a-Porter, depending on where you're from, how you pronounce it, and they did have it, but I don't think it has really come out yet in the United States. I could be wrong, but everywhere I looked it was either sold out or they didn't have it. So anyway, the bag that I picked up, and this is a true unbagging, it's the first time I'm seeing it as well, comes in the dust bag. It is the Chloe Woody raffia tote. How cute is this, you guys? Oh, I'm so excited about it. Okay, so it comes with the little care booklet. It has the tag on it. Let me tell you why I opted for this one. So initially I wanted the Woody tote, and if you got, I'll put a picture up on the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. It is square, it's very chic, it's a little more elegant, but then I thought, you know what, I'm really looking for like a beach bag, like a summer bag that I can wear casual, and even though you can wear that bag casual as well, it just looked a little more dressy because it was a little more structured, and I was on the hunt for the perfect like beach bag, and I saw this one and it was half the price of the Woody tote. And this one retailed for $620 when I got it, which is still very expensive, but I was like, I'm torn between two bags and that other bag is like double the price. And so I was like, gosh, you know, I could get this raffia tote and the shoes and I still won't even come close to the price of the tote. So I was like, you know what, let's go for this one because this is the one that I wanted. And not only that, look how cute it is with these Chloe sandals. But I want to kind of like break down this bag a little bit for you, just in case this is a bag that you're kind of thinking about. Again, this is the Chloe Woody raffia tote if you're looking for it. And just like usual, I will link the sandals down below, and I will link this tote down below as well. And I will try to find it from a website where it's available and it's not sold out. It is hand woven from raffia into a basket silhouette, so you can see it is just absolutely beautiful. The bottom of the bag has the Chloe leather logo, which I think is cute. It has the signature Chloe ribbon, and then at the top it has leather. You can see the brown leather, and then on the inside it is just like a big beach bag. So I thought this would be great because I can use this for so many purposes. I can take this to the pool, I can take this to the beach, or I can also wear it with a summer dress. And I have a summer dress on today, and I think it would pair really, really nicely. Now I am 5'3", so you can kind of see how it looks on me, but I think it will look really, really nice paired with these sandals as well. My camera doesn't go that low right now, so I will insert a clip so you can see me trying on both together. But you guys, I just think this bag is so pretty, and like I said, it was half the price of the other tote. Now I loved that other tote as well. I thought it was so beautiful. But again, in my mind, I was looking for something super, super casual, and this is super casual. Now, keep in mind, one thing I noticed right off the bat, you can see the top of it, because it was hand woven, it's not like perfectly straight. You can see it is a little off. So I'm not sure if that would bother some people, but I don't mind it because, as I stated, I'm going to be using it as a beach bag. So I haven't really seen too many reviews on this bag at all. So I will be sure to, once I've had it for a little bit, do a review on it like usual. And I will also keep you updated on the sandals as well. Actually, maybe once I've had them for a while, I'll do kind of like a combined video on both of them. But I'm really, really excited about it. So let me just give you another like up close view. The bag, you can see the bottom, it says Chloe, and then you can see the interior of the bag right there. Just really, really perfect. I think it's going to be like a great beach bag. As I stated, I would wear it with this dress. I think it's really nice and casual. It's just gonna serve a lot of purposes, and I think it's priced relatively well. I mean, don't get me wrong, $620 is still really expensive, but when compared to the other Woody tote, I didn't think you could beat it, because you could get this and the sandal for not even the price of the Woody tote. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like usual, I will try to find these items and link them down below. If you have any questions at all for me about tote or the sandals, reach out and let me know. As I stated, I haven't worn them yet. I haven't worn either yet, but if there's anything I can do to help your decision, if you guys are on the fence, please feel free to reach out, because that's what I'm there for. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. Have a lovely day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Wish me the